So yep, I have shown you. I was like being quiet so that you can just see what that menu looks like. So first of all, yep, this video is gonna be about how to make this amazing horror game look like menu. You can also do this like your own menu and stuff. You can also edit stuffs like that. What this video is like, what I would be providing you in this video would be like, I would be providing you with the whole prefab of this menu that I already have like. Not yep, because I already have that in here, so that would make your life so much easier. So what's the basic logic of main menu is that when you start your game, you have to just load up a splash screen, and also then you have to load up with your menu. Then your menu selects, if the person selects the start game, then you have to load him into the scene that just happened, just I showed you right now. So that was the main logic of the main menu. Also for the options, like if I just play it again, like I'll be just explaining you right now like what's happening in the main menu. So you currently see these particle effects and everything all. This is basically a video. So because my system was not able to cope up with that much, also you see this project, this is my project, personal project, so I won't be providing you with this video and background stuff because that would be like a copyright issue for me or you guys also. So but yeah, I haven't finished this game yet because of my some financial issues. Yep, I really just tried to make this game in like, you can see like, I tried to make in like in 2021 or 2022, but wasn't able to complete it yet because of the financial crisis, guys. Sorry about that. But yep, I had this menu, so I thought I could share it with you guys. So what's the basic thing is, if you press the new game, you guys will be loaded to the next scene. And if you press load game, nothing happens right now, because for load game you might be needing to load your game from the server or from the database. So that would be like so much difficult for you guys for right now. So maybe you could be, yep, you that would be like for another video, I think. And for the options, for this also are the all settings that you have to do, like for masters volume, sfx, masters volume you can set like accordingly, like you can just you need to change the audio source, what we say. Let me just go on this one. Where is it? Yep, you just have to decrease the volume and over stuff like that from the master's volume. You can do that, and also for sfx everything, and you can just save that. But this is like for the something advanced stuff, so that you have to do that. I'm basically providing you with the logics and stuff so that you can just make some UI and interact with your menu and do stuffs and load and screen. So before the menu, when you start your game, first you would be showing like your credits or developer's name or splash screen, I would say. So what you can do is you can just right click here, create, and you can just create a new scene. And if you have a scene, like if I just close this, what you can do is you can just create here. You can go for UI, and you would be just selecting image, raw image, then you can convert it into 2D text, 2D and sprite UI, and then you can just set it accordingly on to your, like like 180 1080p, like horizontally, or yeah, you can just set it. And then you can just do some animations with animator and stuff, that would be like making some fade animations with this. So that would be like so much easier for make to splash screen. And then for after the splash screen, what you would be guys doing is, you can attach a script, simple script, like if I show you this main logic script, which would be like here, uh, like yeah, if the not this, if yeah, see, if the person like plays the start button, which is the start game button, it just scene manager load is the load is what I'm saying, it loaded. Okay, sorry, it loads the scene for the starting scene that you see that in the forest and a castle scene. So yep, there's you just have to write this code and make sure you have the scene name right, exactly this. So that would load the scene for you guys. Also you have to be just write these commands also for the scene to load. So that's how you can make your splash screen that easily. After that splash screen, now you would be wondering like, how can I make these scene like the main menu scene? Because you might see this is like my scene right now, not the main game scene. If I show you my scenes right now, wait a second. uh yep, where are my scenes? Where are they disappeared? Hmm. Okay, let me just search it. Never mind. So you see, here are my scenes. This is like end scene, which will be like when the your player completes your game, and this is the main scene. If I load it for you right now, but do I have to save it? Nah, don't save it. Yeah, 'cause, I really don't like to change my things right now. Yeah, because you see right now, this is my main scene, and where is my map? Actually, where is my map? Okay, yep, there is my map. You can see this is almost like what we say, a maze, but never mind, that's my map, so that's my main scene. And then you would be like having a splash screen, starting screen, like uh, yep, my PC is getting slow because my other project is also open, so I would be like showing you how you can import it. Like, yeah, this is my starting scene, and after like the person reaches somewhere and then the other scene, main scene happens. So that's how you can just make your scenes convertible, like one to like first the splash screen, then main menu. After main menu, person clicks the game, then it would be like this scene, your starting scene, like some we can say cut scene or something. Then you can just head him to the main game. Then if main game and like the what we say, the main game, like just if the person completes the main game, what you have to do is just yeah, just put him to the end screen, or what we say, what we can say, okay, what we can say, yeah, the credit screen. So what I would be providing you guys is like, yeah, so yeah, what I would be providing you is with these things, like first of all this prefab, so that you just don't have to write every text and stuff. Also I would be providing you with the, wait a second, with the font. If you like really like my font, you can be just yep, you can just use my font. I will be providing a font for you guys. That would be my fonts, like I'm using this Bangkotic, or you can just download it and just just change something. There was like, yep, you can just download it, this font, and import to your scene, and then you can use it. So after you this prefab, also there are more settings for prefab. Before that, yeah, font, there was the font. And if I go for this, then I would, this is the event system for the UI to interact. Like this is my tutorial scene for for this video purposes. So like you see, now I am able to just click on these stuff, and this is just the back button. Never mind, I have, like, I won't be providing you a back button. You can just upload a PNG and convert it into sprite 2D and UI. So this is just the back button, and this is just the credits, and you can just get that exit game. If I just press it, the game won't exit, but it has a debug. So because it's in the, what we say, it's it's currently right in the IDI, or whatever we say, in the editor. So that's why it's not exiting the game right now, but it will. So because I have debug set, so it tells me that the game has ended, but it will not end until it's in the editor. If you like build and run it, then it will end definitely. So you don't have to care about that. You can just add an animation, like scrolling animation for your text. You can just write down so long, like even if your screen ends, you can just write then, and just you can scroll it like with the animator and animation. Also, if you want to see how these animation and animator works, you can watch my video with the like door videos or something with the, yeah, there are many videos on my channel that I have shown animation on, like the timer video and the door video. There are not many videos on my channel, you can easily find them. Also you can find it on like tap animation. That was my like popular video that like got 10k views. Never mind. So yep, this is what I've prepared. So what I was saying is, like, if you see, if I just click on it, you see this fading icons. So how this is happening is because of this event system. If I close this, you see I won't be able to interact any of this. So event system is necessary for this. And this is just the background video. You have to just yeah, you just have to import your video something, and just just drag it, drop it there. That's just the video thing. And also this all settings would be like enabled from the prefab that I would be providing you in the description link. So you can just go and there and download and import stuff. But importing is also not easy, because there are script also, and there is videos also. There is like UI, font, and everything extra etc stuff. So I would be showing you how to do that. So this is the main video. You just import your video from the folder and then just drag drop there. This is also you might be just needing. So that's just, I think, uh, wait a second. That's, I just think that is just a video, just the background video that would you guys would be needing. So you can just that's just what we say, uh, that's just a screenshot of the video. So you can just import it and just put it like one in here and drag one over here, so that would be like making your video. So that would be like, you guys would be wondering in the start that wow, that was like a cool particle effect, but actually that was a video. So yep. Now how you can set your scenes, like first of all the intro scene, then main menu, then main scene, then ending scene. So you have to go to your file, go to your build settings, and then you see I have already introduced two scenes, because I would be using my main scene from the main menu. So I don't need to add main menu right now, but maybe you have to upload all of this right now. Cause how you can upload this, if I just delete this and delete this, now there after you build and run, you would be able to like play your game. So yep, don't do that right now, maybe you can do it. uh, so what you can do is, you don't see any scenes right now. Whichever scene like you have opened right now, like if I go for my intro scene, and if I save this, and if I go to my intro scene, uh, what is happening to this intro scene? Okay, never mind. So this is the intro scene, and you have to go file, build settings, and add open scene, and whichever is the 01 is the starting scene. So if you have to show the main menu first of all, if the player enters into the game, you just have to drag it. Like if I show you, if I go to the main menu now, and if I just file, build settings, and then add open scenes, you make sure you also have to add all of your scenes into this one, so that it will build your game like with all scenes. If you don't do that, it won't build your scene. So make sure if you have like 6 or 7 scenes, make sure you upload that and in the right order. So first of all, if I start the game, like after building, it will be like intro will be coming first, that would be, I would say, splash screen. Okay, then it would be like main menu, and yep, main menu would be doing, and you can just import like do this for your main menu. If you want to put your main menu first of all, you can just click on intro and drag it to the bottom. So that means if when the game starts, the main menu would be the first to appear, and then your intro would be appearing. Okay, so that's how you do it. uh, if you have to just put a main intro scene or splash screen at the top, so it doesn't appear, and you can just change scenes from that command I showed you. So yep, that's how you do the starting thing, the starting, what we say, the starting scene. After that, what you have to do is, you have to just add into prefabs, and you can do stuff. So like I would show you what I would be giving you guys right now. So that's how you won't be able to like won't be having trouble after you import the stuff. So what I would be doing is, right now I'll be just deleting this stuff, so that you can just see what happens right now. I delete this. I main camera and directional light, I won't delete this. I delete event system. I delete this prefab. uh, yep, delete it. And I delete event system, and I delete this script, and I won't be deleting the video itself right now. Yep, it would be compiling C sharp scripts. So yeah, these three items that I would be giving you. Font I have already uploaded, so you can also get your fonts. You can just change it. I will also show you how you can change your fonts and the videos. And this is the screenshot of the video that would be you would be applying. Make sure your video is somewhat kind of like if I show you like this, is currently not there. Let me just go and show you how you import things. Okay, so if I go to my this one and come over here, let me just close this, and I go to the scripts, and I have to go logic. So this is the prefab. Okay, and this is the main menu logic script. So first of all, you have to import it. Importing would be nice, but make sure you if it would be possible, just make a new script and copy paste all of the stuff inside of it, because sometimes Unity just sucks. So yep, import it first of all, and then import this. First of all, you have to import the script. Okay, so now the wait a second, let it just load. So now the prefab is loaded and the script is loaded. You don't need to have this thing with the script. First of all, just go to your prefab, this one, and yeah, that's your prefab. Now you see these are the simple fonts, and this back logo is also not set. what you can do is, this is the big background video. Come here, your video, you should be applying it to here. Saving failed. Check the console window to get more insight into what needs to be. Oh, sorry about that. First of all, what you need to do is you go to main menu logic and you have to apply or drag and drop your script here. So that would make up for this script. For this button sound, you have to just add some button sound. For right now, I would be just what we say. I would just add simple activation sound or whatever, cause I don't have currently right now. So that's done, and let me just go to the yep, here I have all the stuff. So this is currently we are editing prefab, not you should not import like just into your scene. So this is just prefab we are editing. So these are control, graphics, and what we say, audio. So these are the three options that are in the options button. Controls like there, graphics like there, and audio canvas like that. That's how your script is been set. And now for the purposes, not right now, yep, I was telling that you have to add an event system, but wait for it. Also, if you want to like change fonts of your text, what you can do is search all of the text in this prefab, select all of them, and just what okay, some of them are not text. Yep, you have to go there and just change it to the Bangkotic. Like you see, all of my fonts have changed. So that's how you can do is change your all fonts. Some of them might not be changing because I have changed their name. Like if I show you for this one, like if I close this and if I go for this credit one, because this name was changed, so it was like credit, so you have to just personally go and change it. So you can just change fonts like that easily if you have like your own font. So this console error is now being resolved. You can just clear it all, no need to worry about that. And what is there something else to be done? So you have set the text, you have set the video. Okay, so for the video, let me just show you how you can see your video. So your loop video, you don't have to change any settings because this would be a prefab. It already like yep, it already just picks my video, but okay, whatever, you can just drop your video screenshot. You have to drag one over here and one over here. So that's how you can import your main menu and screenshot. This background, okay, never mind. So you have to do, and if you want to change anything, you can just do it in the prefab yourself. Like if you have to change alignment or something stuff, you can just do in the prefab. So even if like I'm not doing it like in front of you guys, this video has been like taken so much long time, what you can do is go and hit subscribe button at the bottom right section. Okay, you can just do subscribe. That's what I am asking, just a simple thing. Okay, so this is now our stuff. So that's how we import and done that. So now I have to save changes. Yep, I have saved the changes. And now what I have to do is import UI and add an event system just like that, and go add a main menu. That's how your main menu is uploaded. Yep, that's how your main menu is uploaded. Now if I play the game, like the scene, yep, the video loaded. It kind of takes up some time, so you can just do is put your sprite 2D UI at the background. So yep, it's just a loading buffer scene, I think. So that's how you go. And that's just a door sound, I think, but yeah, that's I just use for tutorial purposes. So I would be providing you guys this prefab, this right here. You can change font, I told you how you can change, and this menu script I would be explaining you just in a bit. I would show you just also if you have to save change these things, because this is an advanced function, also might be requiring some GPU related controls or something with the preferences, so that it would take some time. Like if this would be like so much advanced things to know. Audio is not a much advanced thing, because you can just set it like you can just see it online how you can just set audio, and you can just set it like 1 over here, 100 over there, and you just have to change the audio sources volume. That would be, you can do it, and you can just press back. You have to just put a sprite 2D UI image on that back button. So yep, you can just here we have successfully imported the menu in our scene. So you can just also change this font. Also if you want to like make a like what we say, a cartoonish game or something else. It's not like that you only have to use this in horror games. You can just also use it in like your other games. You can just really take all of that and align them in the center. Like if I show you right now, uh, if this is the thing, maybe I cannot change this all stuff. Yeah, if I go for the button like that's how you can just change it that into the center. That would be like so much better for you guys if you want to. Also you can just press and now you guys would be wondering how this all stuffs are working, like how this is getting functioning right now. Like if I press that button, so in the UI stuff, the function you have to add for the event system, but for the button itself, what I have did is I have added an on click method with the script. And if I go for the script now, and right here, where is the script? Lol. Okay, never mind, I'll show you in the other script. So this is the script right now. And yep, these are the game object that you have to just some public you have to assign, private you don't have to assign it. If private, you make sure you don't change the names for something. If you, yep, you have to see something. What was I talking about? Yeah, this method. So you see these option buttons, this control button and the start button. Then when the player presses any buttons, like if I go for this tutorial only, if my main scene name is correctly set, if I just new game, it's loading screen. You can also change the loading screen and view, but there isn't a starting scene right now, so it won't be loading right now. Yep, it's kind of bit a loading screen, you can put it right now, like in the, yep, where is it, in the start button, it enables the loading screen. And main menu dot get component canvas dot enabled false. Yep, this is just to enable canvas, disable main menu. It disables the main menu. And then play button sounds, the run, like the button sound is that we have put like the door sound we are getting right now. And the it loads the scene. This is the starting scene right now. Starting scene, if I go for my game, wait a second, if I go for this and if I show you the scenes, yep, you see this is as a starting scene. And if I just change this, wait a second, where is my tutorial one? Yep, I have to go this, and now I'm here. Make sure this script is in my tutorial one. Yep, it's in the tutorial one. If I just go and just get my name for my scene, that would be the main scene, and just have to write your scene name, whatever it is. Just go here and main scene, save it, go back to your editor, let it load. Now if this is the game is running almost, like, yeah, the game starts. You see this is background screen. This is the you just also have to apply this also. Okay, we haven't put the lol, save it. We also, you make sure you also put your scenes into here. Yep, that would do it, I think. Yep, we go here. Now the video comes, and now if I go for new game, yep, it directly doesn't even take time for the loading screen right now. It just yep, puts me into the, yep. If I show you my scripts also, like raycast, yep, this is my inspection one. So this is interaction, and you can also watch this in my channel of the examine pickup script. So that's how you take it, and you can just switch it also. I'm trying to make the gun recoil system right now, but I'm not able to get time because I'm not getting much response on this channel, not that much. So maybe also whatever I can say. This sound is too much, but that's automatic door. So yep, this is just a tutorial purposes. So that's how you guys implement the main menu right now. If you have just any questions, any queries, or any suggestions, or next topic that I should make a video on, you can write me down in the comments. If you have any trouble understanding or anything else, you just write me in the comments. I'll be just trying to help you guys. That's all, just the simple stuff. I also like written all of these log messages so that you can just yep, you can just understand it yourself. Not much to talk about. What we say, this is the get component right now. You can get components and make them true and false. That's for the main menu. Return button, on button we have set it like yep, let's just do it. So that's how you do it. Bye bye, I guess. If I would be asking you guys, just hit the like button and yep, subscribe the channel if you want more of this content. Bye bye guys.